The Toyota Tundra isn't just a truck. It's a base camp on wheels. A torque-loaded trailblazer, a weekend warrior of the best kind. And for 2026, the legend continues with the Core SR, SR5, and limited grades, joined by premium trims and the purpose-built TRD Pro. This lineup wasn't made for pavement. It was made to leave it behind. What's under the hood? Grit. Standard I-Force twin-turbo V6 muscle delivers up to 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque for the kind of acceleration that doesn't flinch. The available I-Force Max twin-turbo hybrid cranks things up with 437 net combined horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. Built to tow, climb, and disappear into the wild without hesitation. Tundra backs its power with serious off-road cred, with available features like Bilstein shocks with TRD Off-Road or TRD Rally Package, crawl control, multi-terrain select, all-terrain tires, and an electronic locking rear diff. All included with the TRD Off-Road and TRD Rally packages. TRD Pro takes things further with standard Fox internal bypass shocks, engineered for a smooth ride across the rough stuff. Want a plush ride to go with the punch? Available adaptive variable suspension adds refined composure on any surface. And with up to 12,000 pounds of max towing and a payload capacity of 1,940 pounds, Tundra doesn't just pull its weight, it leads the charge. The available load leveling rear height control air suspension helps keep things level, even when loaded to the limit. Every angle is intentional. Every line a flex. A wide stance and sculpted strength meet utility in a fully boxed frame and an aluminum reinforced composite bed. Function comes standard, but features like an available power tailgate and retractable bed step turn utility into usability. And when it comes to looking the part, TRD Pro wears its legacy with a heritage grille, LED light bar, and 18-inch forged aluminum wheels. The TRD Rally package brings aggressive TRD off-road alloys, skid plates, TRD exhaust, mud guards, and tricolor decal details. 1794 edition and capstone models elevate the curb appeal with chrome-finished exterior accents, and capstone exclusively offers standard 22-inch alloy wheels. And available power retractable running boards, they bring convenience with confidence. Inside, Tundra's cabin feels like a command center for the road ahead. Durable and refined, tough but tailored. Options include a panoramic roof, heated steering wheel, heated, ventilated, and yes, even massaging front seats, heated and ventilated outboard rear seats, a Qi-compatible wireless charging pad for smart, cable-free power. Tundra's premium models even offer genuine wood grain trim, bringing handcrafted texture into a tech-forward space. Want smart upgrades? Available head-up display and TRD Rally accents, from aluminum sport pedals to soft text trim seats with contrast stitching, bring attitude inside. TRD Pro models channel Toyota's motorsport roots with red accents and a heritage badge right on the dash. Wherever the route leads, Tundra's got the tech to travel. The Toyota Audio Multimedia Platform features a standard 8-inch or available 14-inch touchscreen. The system includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. Plus, there's a standard 3-month Sirius XM trial that includes over 165 channels available in-cabin and even more on the Sirius XM app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. And select grades offer trials for Toyota's connected services: Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. Crank the soundtrack through the available 12-speaker JBL premium audio system for crystal clear sound, whether it's a podcast or a playlist. Confidence comes standard. Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist. Optional features raise the bar: blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, front and rear parking assist with automatic braking. Available multi-terrain monitor for added off-road awareness. Available trailer backup guide with straight path assist makes reversing a trailer feel like second nature. It's a safety and convenience suite built to help keep the adventure on course. Tundra isn't just for checklists or quick stops. It's for epic journeys. Every new Tundra includes Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, of scheduled maintenance, plus 2 years of unlimited mileage 24-hour roadside assistance. iForce Max hybrid models go even further with an 8-year or 100,000-mile hybrid system warranty, whichever comes first, and a 10-year or 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty, whichever comes first. It's for those who write stories worth retelling. The 2026 Tundra. Built strong, wired smart, unapologetically capable. Experience more at Toyota.com.